In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air filter on your Subaru Legacy located under your hood. When you open up the hood, you're going to locate the air filter box right here on the passenger side of the engine bay. Release your lid latches. Right here is your mass airflow sensor. Go ahead and press down on this tab, pinch this tab, and pull this connector off. If you fold the air intake tube up, there's going to be a hose clamp right up here. I'm going to go ahead, unscrew this, loosen that clamp, lift this up, and pull this off, and pop that right out. Once you set that aside, go ahead and grab the air filter and pull it up and out. And when you pull that out, make sure that you reach inside and pull out any leaves that might be inside that box, any junk or debris. Then you can go ahead and grab that new air filter. Make sure that the seal here is facing outward. Kind of lower that down into position and tuck it inside the box base there. Good, make sure the air filter is tucked in there. We're going to lower this down into position. Now on the side here, there is a clamp that the lower hose for the power steering needs to pop into. Make sure that the harness for the mass airflow does not get pinched in that box. Install the hose and then bring this down into position. Good, snap the latches over. Install the mass airflow sensor connector. And then we'll tighten up the clamp up top. Make sure this hose is all the way up in a position. Make sure that's snug. Good, and toss out that old filter and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.